from this to this. Good morning and welcome back to my workshop. And today it's all about the workshop. This was just taking up too much space, and that's why I got a 3D printer. So time to get organized. I'll show you the mess. This is a huge mess. So I decided to get more organized. Sorted out all my chisels, all my tools, screwdrivers. These are going up there. Yes, it is a mess. And I'm going to sort that out right now. Now, doesn't that make a difference? Makes a huge difference. Still more to put in. Well, still a long way to go. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like. And if you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. And until the next time, enjoy your workshops and sorting your workshops. Lekker, lekker. Now that looks a lot better. Look at that. It makes a whole big difference.